It's now time for the Spirit Flows Churchcast, brought to you by your friends here at Friendship Christian Church. Please pray for First Lady McCullough as she ministers on Sunday, May 17th at 3 p.m. for the Women's Day service at House of Judah Ministries in Charlotte. And on Friday, May 29th for the Pearls in the Pew Ministry. Bishop McCullough reaches out daily to everyone via text message. Are you connected? It's easy. Text FCC 221 to 54244. Then reply yes to receive messages and download the FCC app. The Spirit Flows Cafe is back. Free dinner will be served each Wednesday evening from 5:30 p.m. to 6:45 p.m. in the Family Life Center. Everyone is invited. We're making life better in 2015. On the first Wednesday of each month, special workshops will be offered to help you make your life better. The topic for May 6th is intentional parenting. Be sure to mark your calendar for this session on May 6th. Calling mothers, daughters, and granddaughters. Mothers of all ages are invited to join First Lady McCullough and the FCC Women's Ministry on Saturday, May 9th at 12 noon for the 2015 Mother's Day Luncheon. The guest speaker will be Lady Leah McNair of Emmanuel Baptist Church in Thomasville, North Carolina. Tickets are $5 per person. Please see Sister Mary Alston or Sister Patricia Dunlap to get yours today. Do you have a passion for serving others? If so, the FCC Helping Hands Ministry is for you. We are a ministry that provides food and clothing for those in need each week. Workers are needed. Please join us on May 16th at 12:30 p.m. to become part of this awesome ministry. Attention all mothers. Next Sunday is Mother's Day. All mothers are asked to wear white for this very special day. Also, we need willing workers to assist our website ministry in making updates to the website. No prior experience is needed. Please contact the church office if you can help with this ministry project. The FCC Ministry Outreach is supporting the Crisis Pregnancy Ministry Baby Bottle Blessing fundraiser. We are asking each family to take a baby bottle, fill them with silver coins or cash, no pennies, and return them on Father's Day, June 21st. Members of the Crisis Pregnancy Outreach team will be in the lobby with bottles after service today, 1 bottle per family. Save the date. The Kingdom Summit will be held June 10th through the 12th. The dynamic speakers are Overseer Edward Pierce, Dr. Patricia Bailey, Reverend Freddie Shimbo, and Bishop Joseph Walker. More conference information is to come. Save the dates. You don't want to miss this time of powerful impartation. We're here to keep you in the know so you can let the Spirit flow.